Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Dall E 2 on mobile device. So for that you need to open up your browser, and after opening up your browser search for Dall E and just open up this very first link that you will see, Dall E 2 from OpenAI. Just open it up and scroll down. Here you will find this option of try Dall E or Dall E. So just click on it. Now, if you already have an account on OpenAI, just use your account information to log in. And if you don't have any, then you can simply go for the sign up option, or you can use your Google's information or Microsoft account in order to log into OpenAI. So let me use my information to log in. After logging into your account, you will find this information. Just click on continue. Now it will give you this information that you can buy 115 credits for $15. So let's click on this option of start creating with Dall E for now. And after that, you can just simply type the prompt over here and click on surprise me in order to use Dall E 2 on your mobile device. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.